Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove viruses from your Windows 10 using command prompt in 2026, the safe and the official way. So these CMD tools scan your system, repair the damage and clean the malware without installing anything extra. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our first step, you need to open the command prompt as administrator. For that, click on this start icon. When you see this type of page in front of you, simply use the search bar on the top and type CMD. Once you do that, you will find the command prompt system in front of you. So instead of clicking on it, simply hover over to the right hand side and click on the option of run as administrator. So once you do this, you are going to see this type of command in front of you. So here you just have to start giving it the commands. So in the command, you just have to type a command that is called bash sfc backslash scan now. So once you do this, this is going to scan your entire system for any kind of corrupted files that are caused by malware. If it finds it, the damaged system files, it is going to repair them automatically. You can also use the DISM to repair the system's health. For that, you just have to simply type the DISM command. I will put that in the description. So DISM is going to check the deeper Windows components that viruses often modify. It restores any kind of missing or corrupted files using Windows internal backups. You can also run Microsoft Defender full scan through CMD as well. The command of which will also be in the description. So this makes Microsoft Defender scan every file and folder. It also removes the Trojans, spywares, unwanted programs, and other malwares. So once you do this, once you have successfully scanned your computer with the help of CMD, you just have to restart your computer by clicking on this start button and then clicking on this power button. Simply restart your computer and you will be able to remove the viruses from Windows 10 using command prompt. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.